Let's welcome this beautiful morning with a powerful 2-minute morning intention setting meditation brought to you by Enchanted Empowerment. As we embrace the dawn of a new day, let's take these moments to align with our highest intentions. Let's begin. In the comfort of your sacred space, whether sitting or standing, close your eyes gently. Take a deep, cleansing breath in, filling your lungs with the fresh promise of a new day. Exhale slowly, releasing any remnants of sleep or lingering dreams. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more aware. The air around you is charged with possibility, with magic waiting to be woven by your very hands. Now, in the center of your heart, visualize a seed. This seed represents your intention for the day. It could be a word, a feeling, or a vision. Perhaps it's joy, peace, strength, or love. Whatever it is, see it clearly in your mind's eye and feel it taking root in your heart. As you hold this intention in your heart, imagine it growing roots, anchoring you in your truth. See it sprouting leaves, reaching upwards, absorbing the golden light of the morning sun. This light nourishes your intention, empowering it, empowering you. With every breath, your intention grows stronger, brighter, until it envelops you in its radiant energy. You are now fully aligned with your highest purpose for today. You are charged with the divine essence of your intention. Take one more deep breath, feeling this energy pulsating within you, ready to guide you through the day. Gently open your eyes, bringing this energy with you as you step into the world. Remember, enchanting seeker, you have the power to manifest your reality. Carry this intention with you. Let it guide your actions, your words, and your thoughts. Today, you move with purpose, with grace, and with the magic of your divine essence. May your day be filled with wonder and empowerment. Blessed be, Goddess.